kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So guys, this is boom 1000, and of course guys, this has been on uptrend for a while. Okay, we're on 5-minute time frame, and of course we are using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do our analysis today. Actually, this actually got to this resistance zone, and it was unable to break out from there at the beginning. You can see it tried it out around there, also tried it out around there, and of course it tried to go down several times but was unable to break out below this support zone. So right from there it had a major pullback, and of course got to the resistance zone again, and this time around it broke out above it. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, to keep on buying until it gets to the next resistance zone. Okay, and if it's unable to break out from there, then it's most likely we have a change in direction of the trend at that point. But for now, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500. This was actually on downtrend for a while, and of course it has gotten to this support zone, and right from there it started an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. We want it to break out from this resistance zone. Once it breaks out from there, then it should be getting to this place. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then definitely it should be getting to the last part of the resistance zone on the chart. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still very much of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000, and of course just the way we are seeing this had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend, and of course it got to the resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there. Okay, so hopefully this should be going for a downtrend at the moment. Okay, so it should be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset should be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500, and of course still on 5-minute time frame. This had been on uptrend for long, got to the resistance zone, and it was playing around there for a very long time. Okay, and of course guys, if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to sell more. If it does not, if it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. But this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, it might not be for a very long time, because once it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it's most likely for it to change the direction of the trend into a downtrend. Okay, now let's check out the next asset, which is going to be it's going to be volatility 75. Okay, let's check it out together. Okay, this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it sold for a very long time, got to this support region, and it had a pullback just the way it had around there, and of course it went back down to break out from that support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, then I will advise you to go back to the channel, watch my training videos, learn the strategies there, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.